Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get rid of Gutenberg. Not Heizenberg, Gutenberg. Let me give you some background. In one of the previous WordPress releases, WordPress released the Gutenberg editor, which in my opinion does not work as well as the normal what you see is what you get editor. It's clunky, it's difficult to customize. What they try to do is they try to make it simple for the masses to be able to create pages and update pages. In my humble opinion, I don't think it works, and it's highly frustrating, and you would probably agree with me. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of Gutenberg. So if we go to a simple page where I was, you can see that's the standard editor. It looks nothing like the previous one, which was the what you see is what you get. So let's go back. Go to your plugins, go add plugin, and this just proves what I'm saying. The very top line is probably the highest downloaded plugins on the internet. And hey, look at this, the classic editor, 5+ million active installations. So that just backs up what I'm saying, that many 5+ million people do not like Gutenberg either. So all you do is you go back to classic editor, say install, wait for it to install. Once it's installed, we're going to activate it, and that's the magic. There's absolutely no magic involved. Click activate, wait for the process to complete. It's going to activate the plugin, and there you are, you're activated. There are settings which you can go into to customize it, but in the default, but as a default plugin, there you go. You're back to the what you see is what you get, which is your standard Microsoft Word editor that majority of the world are used to. I don't know why they changed it. I don't know why they thought that they would be smart. This, once again, is my perspective, my opinion. Maybe you love Gutenberg. Maybe you love complicating your life. But that's it. So that's how you go back on Gutenberg. Thank you.